You've made one of the hardest decisions a parent ever has to make. Who will raise your children if something happens to you? But here's the question most parents never stop to ask. Who will manage the money? And more importantly, should that be the same person? Hi, I'm Gary from Westwood Estate Planning. In this video, I'll show you the quiet conflict that most people never see coming and how to make sure your children's future is protected both emotionally and financially. So when you appoint a guardian in your will, you're choosing the person who will raise your children, their day-to-day life, love and stability. But your estate, your home, savings, investments, needs someone to manage it until your children are old enough. That person is called a trustee. Two jobs, two very different kinds of responsibilities. And yet most parents simply assume the same person should do both. But should they? When the same person is both a guardian and trustee, they're wearing two hats. As a guardian, they're a parent, trying to give your children the best possible life. As a trustee, they're meant to protect and grow your child's inheritance. Those two roles can quietly pull in opposite directions, and it's no one's fault, but the impact can last for years. So imagine this, scenario one, the family car. The guardian's car breaks down. There's money in the trust. They think, well, look, we need a bigger car for the kids. It's for them. Reasonable? Maybe. But the line between their benefit and your child gets blurry. So scenario number two, using trust money for family life. School trips, new bedrooms, maybe even a kitchen extension. Each feels justifiable, but over time, your child's inheritance can quietly shrink. Scenario three, the legal hangover. Years later, your child becomes an adult and starts asking questions. Was that money really spent on me? Suddenly, the person who raised them is feeling awkward, even legal scrutiny. Nobody wins in that situation. So what are your options? Here's how you can approach it. Option number one, guardian as a sole trustee. Simple but risky. Fine for smaller estates, maybe under 20,000, but it relies entirely on personal trust. Option two, co-trustees. The guardian plus another person. They add oversight that can lead to disagreements or delays. Option number three, professional co-trustee. The guardian joined by a legal practitioner, accountant, or trust company. Costs more, but adds protection and independence. Option four, a separate trustee. This is what works best for most families. The guardian raises the children, the trustee manages the money. Each can focus on doing their job well, and your children get both care and protection. You can still allow the guardian to be consulted on major spending without putting them in control of that pot. So getting it right in your will. Most parents stop at who will raise them. Few think about who will manage the money. And that's where problems and sometimes heartache begin. When we help parents to write their wills, this is one of the first questions we explore. Who's best suited to raise your children? Who's best suited to handle their inheritance? And how do you keep both roles working together and not against each other? So look, the bottom line is there's no single right answer to this, but there is a right structure for your family. If your will simply says my guardian inherits everything, it might not be protecting your children in the way you think. Take a moment to think about how you would want this to work and talk it through properly. So look, if you'd like to talk this through, I offer a short, friendly chat, no charge, no pressure. We'll look at your situation and help you see what setup makes the most sense for your family. The link is in the description below, and feel free to book a time that suits you. So I've been Gary from Westwood Estate Planning, helping you protect your future and your loved ones. Look, if this video helps you, please give it a like. It helps others who might be asking the same questions as you. We share new videos like this regularly, so hit that subscribe button to stay up to date. And I will see you in the next one.